Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaste. Welcome to another session of NEPAM PCT program. The topic is Role of Indian Patent Office as ISA and IPA under the PCT. We will be discussing briefly Introduction to India as International Search Authority and International Preliminary Examination Authority, relevance and impact for India, fee procedures, and time frame for preparing ISR and IPRP. The Indian Patent Office was designated to function as ISA IPA under the PCT on 15th of October 2013. The function of International Search Authority is to conduct a search to identify relevant prior art and prepare a non-binding written opinion on the parameters, novelty, inventive step, and industrial applicability. International Preliminary Examination Authority, that is IPA, conducts a further examination under Chapter 2 if needed, providing a more detailed evaluation of patentability of the invention. India as ISA IPA, what this means for the innovators. It gives innovators access to a competent authority for international patent searches and preliminary examinations, streamlining the global patenting process and reduce time to market for inventions. To India, it is a recognition as a key player in the global IP landscape, fostering innovation and economic growth while establishing credibility in international intellectual property circles. The impact of India working as ISA IPA is a catalyst for growth as it stimulates Indian companies, especially natural person, women entrepreneurs, startups, small entities to innovate with confidence in the patent system. It also contributes to economic growth by adding innovative products to the market. It positions India as a competitive center for industrial property rights, offering quality services. ISRs and IPRs are crucial gateways for patent protection and commercialization across international markets, enabling seamless expansion. It has a strategic advantage as it gives early insights into patentability and prior art analysis, reduced R&D risks significantly, and informs for critical business decisions. India's growing role as a thriving innovation hub, India's proficiency in these reports demonstrates unwavering commitment to global IP standards and excellence. What are the key steps in preparing reports? They are application filing. Inventors file an international application under the PCT framework. Then comes ISR generation, wherein the designated international searching authority, in this case Intellectual Property Office India, conducts the prior art search and prepares such ISR. IPRP generated if requested by the applicant. The International Preliminary Examination Authority provides a detailed examination report, that is International Preliminary Report on Patentability. There is also reporting and feedback. Clear, concise reports are provided to the applicants, guiding their international patent strategy effectively. There is also a provision wherein applicant for any matter concerned can write to ISAIN. The office conducts open house for international applications where they can put forth their feedback and share views. What makes India qualified to work as ISA IPA? India as ISA has comprehensive documentation. There is extensive collection of patent and non-patent literature, meeting PCT minimum documentation requirements, ensuring thorough prior art searches. There are examiners who are professionally qualified and technically skilled, trained according to the international patent examination standards and practices. India has established quality management system for technical and administrative tasks, ensuring consistency and reliability in examination processes. And it is fully electronic processing system enabling speedy disposal of the applications. Success and impact. Increased filings in PCT applications filed by Indian entities indicates growing confidence in the international patent system. The other impact is reduced rejection, since early identification of the prior art through ISR IPAR, which helps applicants refine their claims and assess prosecution strategy. It gives economic boost by facilitating patent protection for Indian innovations, drives foreign investment and market access opportunities. This is PCT timeline wherein applicant can file 2 months from the ISR claim amendments prior to international publication. Filing of Chapter 2 demand under Article 34 of PCT, that is IPRP, is indicated, which is 3 months from the date of transmittal of ISR and written opinion to the applicant, or 22 months from the earliest priority date. The competent ISA is specified by the receiving office if more than one is specified by the RO. The applicant has the choice. In making that choice, the applicant must take into account the language accepted by the ISA. A translation of international application for the purposes of international search may be required in certain cases. If international application is filed with International Bureau as receiving office, the competent ISAs will be those which would have been competent if international application had been filed with the national or regional office, which on the basis of applicant's nationality or residence could be the competent RO. Choice of ISA is to be indicated in the request box number 7 of the application form. And as said, the choice depends on accepted languages and potential translation requirements. The competent ISA and IPA for Indian applicants is India, Australia, Austria, China, Sweden, United States of America, European Patent Office, Japan, and language for examination is English. India has competitive fees, and as you can see the comparison, the lowest fees of ISA-IN among all the major authorities. Choosing India as ISA-IPA also unlocks the Form 18A expedited examination eligibility at the Indian Patent Office. Expedited patent examination in India is a statutory fast-track mechanism under the Rule 24C of the Patent Rules, allowing eligible applicants to file Form 18A and request priority examination ahead of the standard queue at the Indian Patent Office. Fee payable via comprehensive e-filing system or direct deposit. Search fees is in Indian rupees 10,000 and 2,500 rupees for applicants who are eligible for standard fees concessions, that is for natural person, educational institutions, startups and small entities. Additional fees in case where objection regarding unity of invention is raised. There is also fees for copies of cited art, protest fees and late furnishing fees. Fees for the copies of documents cited in ISR and International Preliminary Examination Report is also there, which is 10 rupees per page. Similar fees is also for the copies of documents contained in the file of the international application, that is 10 rupees per page again. The amount here in parenthesis is applicable in the in case of filing of by natural persons, startups, small entities or educational institutions. There is also protest fees, which is 4,000 rupees for the other than natural person and 1,000 rupees for the natural person. Likewise for late furnishing fees as well, which is again 4,000 rupees for other than natural person and 1,000 rupees for natural person. Time limits to establish ISR and written opinion of ISA: 3 months from the date of receipt of the search authority, usually within 16 months from the priority date, or 9 months from the earliest priority date, whichever expires later. IPEA. Now, who can file the application IPEA? Applicant residing or nationals of PCT contracting states bound by Chapter 2 can file for IPEA application. Application must be filed with the relevant receiving office. Demand is to be filed directly with competent IPEA, and applicant may choose if multiple IPAs are specified. Choice influenced by again accepted languages and prior ISA search requirements. For example, if ISA is India, IPA can also be chosen as India. International preliminary examination fees, which is given in Schedule 5 of the Patent Acts as well. It is 10,000 rupees when international search report was prepared by Indian Patent Office and 2500 for entities which are eligible for fee exemption, that is natural persons, startups, small entity and educational institutions. And if the international search report was not prepared by ISA-IN, that is India, and prepared by some other ISA, then IPEA fees is higher, that is 12,000 Indian rupees and 3,000 for Indian rupees for entity eligible for fees, which is fee exemption, that is natural persons, startups, small entities and educational institutions. There is also handling fees of $251. The fees required to be remitted in Indian rupees through online bank transfer via NEFT or RTGS, mentioning the international application number. All the payments must be made according to fees mentioned in Form 403 issued by IPEA-IN, indicating the application number. Where to file the demand? According to Rule 59, directly with the competent IPA. The competent IPA are specified by each RO, that is receiving office. In case of more than one IPA specified by the receiving office, the applicant has a choice. The choice can be made on basis of language accepted by IPA. Some IPAs accept only international applications which have been searched by certain ISAs. Example, IPA EP. They accept Chapter 2 demand if ISA is prepared by EP itself only. Time frame for establishment for IPRP. The IPRP established within 28 months from the priority date or 6 months from the time provided under Rule 69.1 for the start of international preliminary examination, or 6 months from the date of receipt by IPA of the translation under Rule 55.2, whichever expires later as per Rule 69.2. Who is entitled to make a demand? The applicant, or if there are two applicants, at least one of them who is a resident or national of PCT contracting state bound by Chapter 2 and whose international application has been filed with a receiving office or acting for the contracting state bound by Chapter 2. Why opting for India as ISA or IPEA? The Indian Patent Office offers competitive pricing for international patent searches compared to other global authorities. Opportunity to get expedited examination of applications under the Patents Act. Form 18A, that is expedited examination eligibility, is already established by the IPEA designation. Chapter 2 adds value if written opinion or of ISA is a negative, or and the applicant can make Article 34 amendments that would materially improve prosecution across the designated offices. There is quality report. The IPO uses specialized software and updated electronic systems to ensure efficient and international standard search and examination reports. The reports are prepared in a timely manner. As concluded, India's commitment to a strong IP regime continues to evolve with ongoing improvements in infrastructure, processes, and international cooperation. There is a growing influence. The ISA IPA designation signifies India's growing influence and capability in international intellectual property arena. Global partnership. India stands ready to support innovators worldwide while fostering domestic innovation and economic development capabilities. Thank you so much. There are also certain links and mail IDs given in the end of the slide. Thank you for the program.